Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make mutton chilli roast. For that I have taken 3/4 kg of mutton, 6 to 7 green chillies, 1 large onion cut into pieces, 15 garlic cloves mashed into pieces, 2 teaspoons full of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon full of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon full of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, handful of cashew nuts, 1/4 teaspoon full of cinnamon powder, 5 to 6 cloves and 1 small cardamom. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon full of chia seeds and salt as per your taste. Now take a pressure cooker. Light the flame. Add the mutton into the pressure cooker. Add turmeric powder. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a cup of water to the mutton. Mix them all. And close the lid of the pressure cooker. And cook the mutton for 15 minutes in a high flame. Lamb mutton is a fantastic source of iron. As a red meat, lamb inherently has a lot more iron than other protein sources like chicken or fish. It is a vitamin B powerhouse. It is a way to boost our immune system. It has anti-inflammatory assets. It is a healthy source of protein for all ages of people. Grass-fed lamb is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. It is a potential support for heart health. Here I am using onions. They are packed with nutrients, benefit for heart health, contains cancer fighting antioxidants. They control blood sugar. It has antibacterial properties, boost bone density and digestive health. Here I am using cumin powder. It is anti-cancerous, used to treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar, fights with bacteria and parasites. It is anti-inflammatory, lowers the cholesterol, aids in weight loss. I have used the turmeric powder. It contains natural anti-inflammatory compound curcumin. It protects against heart diseases, used to treat cancers, type 2 diabetes, acne, osteoarthritis, reverse Alzheimer's disease and depression, treats rheumatoid arthritis, improves skin health and protects from free radicals, anti-aging, it protects from eye degeneration. I have used garlic here. Garlic is a medicinal plant. It contains sulfur, manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium. Fiber contains calcium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, iron, vitamin B1 and low levels of protein and low carbohydrates. Here I have used black pepper. Black pepper is a versatile spice high in antioxidants. It has anti-inflammatory properties, may benefit your brain, improves blood sugar control, lowers the cholesterol levels, contains cancer-fighting properties. Red chilli powder. It helps in digestion, maintains blood pressure levels, anti-inflammatory, helps in weight loss, improves cognitive functions, improves heart health, helps in nasal congestion, builds immunity and fights against diseases. Here I have also using green chilies to make this recipe. It is a rich source of vitamin C, hence keeps our skin healthy and glowing. Aids in digestion because it contains very high levels of vitamin C. Green chilli, a well-known Indian food component rich in vitamin B6, vitamin A, iron, copper, potassium, small amounts of protein and carbohydrates. It is loaded with capsaicin, an enzyme. Green chilies contains an enzyme capsaicin. It helps in weight loss, increases the metabolism, good for diabetes. It takes care of the maintenance of the blood sugar levels. I am also using curry leaves to make this recipe. They helps in weight loss, helps in treating dysentery, constipation and diarrhea. Relieves morning sickness and nausea, eliminates bacteria, good for diabetics, good for eyesight, reduces stress, heals wounds, burns and skin eruptions. So keep using curry leaves in almost all your recipes. I am using cloves here. They are high in antioxidants, help protect against cancer, kills the bacteria, improve the liver health, regulates blood sugar, promote bone health, reduce stomach ulcers. I am also using cashew nuts here. Cashews are low in sugar, rich in fiber. They contain heart health fats and plant protein. They are also good source of copper, magnesium and manganese. They are important for energy production, brain health, immunity and bone health. I am also using chia seeds here. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants. Almost all the carbs in them are fiber. Chia seeds are high in quality protein. The fiber protein in chia seeds may help us lose weight. They contain zinc, vitamin B3, B1 and vitamin B2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds may lower the risk of heart disease. Contains high bone nutrients, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus and protein. Reduce blood sugar levels. So let us check whether our mutton is cooked well or not. I have cooked it for 15 whistles. See whether it is cooked well or not. Yeah, it is finely cooked. Now we have to on the gas stove and cook the mutton for some more time. Till then we have to take a deep frying pan, light the gas stove, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I used to cook almost all my recipes with olive oil. So olive oil is very good for health. It contains a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. To this we have to add cloves and cardamom, ginger garlic paste, fry the ginger garlic paste. We have to mix it till it gets the golden brown color. You have to stir it on and off, otherwise the paste will stick to the bottom of the pan. See, the water in the mutton is evaporated. Now we have to transfer the entire mutton into the pan. Mix it with the ginger garlic paste. Now we have to close the lid of the frying pan and cook the mutton for 5 more minutes. Now take another frying pan, add two tablespoons full of ghee to the pan. To this we have to add cashew nuts, fry them till golden brown color. We have to stir them on and off. Now we have to take them out of the pan. Now we have to add onions to them. Onions, green chilies and chopped garlic. Mix all of them. Now add some salt to them. Now we have to mix the mutton. Again we have to close the lid. Now saute the onions well. Till the garlic cloves releases their aroma. We have to fry them all. Now the aroma of the garlic cloves is coming out. To this we have to add the curry leaves. Chia seeds, cumin seeds. Mix them all. Chia seeds and cumin seeds will splatter out. Now increase the flame of the stove. Keep the flame in high. Add a teaspoonful of red chilli powder to it. To this we have to add the cooked mutton. Keep the flame in low. To this we have to add the cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, cinnamon powder. Now mix all of them well. I have mixed all of them. Now our green chilli garlic mutton roast is ready to eat. I hope all of you would like my recipe. I have plated the chilli garlic mutton into the serving plate. Now garnish it with some coriander leaves and with cashew nuts. I hope all of you would like my recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back with you with some more new recipe. Thank you.